Good day, everyone. Today, we embark on a captivating journey with Harsh Singhal, a name synonymous with AI innovation and strategy. With a career that mirrors the evolution of AI, Harsh stands at the crossroads of tomorrow's data science potential. With over 15 years of carving a niche in data science and machine learning, Harsh's experience is not limited by geography. From leading roles in the Silicon Valley at esteemed institutions like LinkedIn and Netflix to shaping the future of AI in India, he's been a beacon of innovation. His career at places like LinkedIn, where he worked at the intersection of data science, product, and legal, showcases his holistic approach to AI applications. Harsh has always been about more than just technology. He believes in making AI a tangible asset for businesses, in creating curricula that prepare our educators for the future, and in leading the discourse around generative AI. The world stands on the brink of an AI revolution, and Harsh's vision ensures we harness it proactively. From his agile consulting engagements, like the creation of custom AI products, to building formidable ML teams from scratch, as he did at Coup, Harsh works with enterprises across industries. His boot camps are forged from real-world experience, his webinars echo with the insights from his leadership stints at global giants, and his consultations are packed with the acumen from steering significant ML projects. Harsh's focus on generative AI is critical to helping enterprises advance with necessary foresight. Imagine AI that doesn't just compute but creates. That's the world Harsh envisions. Given his experience in leveraging AI for diverse applications, from reducing malicious activities at Netflix to driving sales through data insights at Palo Alto Networks, Harsh understands the transformative power of generative AI in business and academia. Harsh's passion for education isn't new. Back in 2009, he crafted the curriculum for the pioneering R training program in India, shaping the future for hundreds of analysts. Today, he collaborates with academic institutions to mold the next generation of AI mavens. His commitment: ensure that the academia is always in sync with the industry's pulsating AI advancements. In Harsh's words, AI is the canvas. Data and algorithms are the paint and brush. As we draw today's enlightening journey to a close, remember that with Harsh Singhal, you're not just getting an AI consultant. You're aligning with a visionary who's been at the heart of AI's most transformative moments. If you're keen on transforming your enterprise with cutting-edge AI strategies, don't miss this golden opportunity. Reach out to Harsh directly at contact@denslayer.ai. Propel your business forward with a seasoned AI strategist. Thank you.